Vandlen. Umfana kagama lo. Welcome back. This is Mosaic Music, a platform where we have to music we break down my lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. We encourage, we give positive feedback. Abanye nabakwara. But essentially, it's it non-toxic Zaya on YouTube channel. What is up, bro? It's a beautiful morning today. And we are back with another one. As I'm currently shooting this, guys, we are sitting on 277 subscribers. I mean, 277 subscribers. That is amazing. It's a wow. It's a wow. Anywho, as today, we're fulfilling someone's wish by the name of Andile Mabaso. I think Mabaso. Requested insindiso yabo Krestu meskwaya magubongwe ophezulu. So this was a rehearsal by the choir. I'm thinking maybe towards good. I don't know. So I'm going to start all the requests for the reactions. So there's pretty a good number, but he or she they ask first, and then Kwaza or I think Nomus, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And make sure to give me suggestion and share it to others as well. So without wasting you guys' time, I see so go to bus party and just dive right into it. There is no way. I, oh my god. Like guys, sometimes when I get requests such as this, and Anila Mabas has exposed me to some of the best singing I've ever heard in my life. Like big ups to you, bro. These people sound like they're in a studio. Like, how can a result be so good? It feels like a finished product, they mixed and mastered. Yo, like Bokrestu. How though? Like how? Why am I not surprised? Why am I not surprised? So, aningitshelen abantu baseZion Nkosi yami ningibeke up to speed so that ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So this is just a choir consists of people abakhonza kwamanye amabandla. Because ngitsheleni why ngibona uBhubesi. Tell me why I see uMufasa here. Tell me. Tell me. Nye, there's a reason why I call this guy uBhubesi. Yes. Yarr. Anything this guy touches turn to gold. I don't care. Omonenionini, Joe. You see this guy Enyonin, and then you go like, I'm like now. Understand this, guys. I'm still getting used to this. I'm still getting used to people's faces here and there. I'm still getting used to that. But now I got to go to 3 months against the look. So I still haven't figured out who does what, and I haven't even figured out people's names as yet. Right? Because it's just a lot. But there's a reason. Oh, this guy. This man. Oh man, this man uthatha into Joe. Hey man. Ay. That's why I'm like, I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. And also, who wrote the song? Who made the song? Or Dali exists? I don't know, guys. You tell me. Man, to like comment section. I will presume ukuthi I inkonzo yabo Kristu mesikhwaye bazenele. I don't know. Because this is fantastic. No, no, bruh, no. So to my Indian viewers, the song says, all praises or all thanks to the one above. He deserves it. Basically, that's what the song says. There's nothing more to it. It's just a straightforward praise song. Just a song that praises God and how much he deserves all the praise. So what I'm thinking this is just a mixture of different people from different churches coming together to create a choir. Because the two leaders, I only know the one with the jacket, the tall one with the beard, whom I call the lion. Zilion, basically. Zilion. Or I saw a comment calling him Zilion, but either or when I saw that, I was like, yep, he deserves to be called Bubis, meaning Zilion, because he has he has such a beautiful voice that it's like he calls shots when he sings. You feel me? It's like he demands when he sings. That's how good he sounds. So I'm thinking this is just a mixture of different people from different churches coming together to fulfill one thing, which is not only to entertain people, but also to to show gratitude to God, to show how much God means to them. Because I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like if when it comes to choirs, ne, I don't know much about choirs per se because I never thought that choirs were I always thought when it comes to Zion, the choirs are from the church. I never thought that it was, a choir acquired by different people coming together to create something. I never thought about that. So that's why at first I was a bit confused because I was like, no man, you church there, but now you what's happening? I just arrived. I just arrived. But honestly speaking, anything that has Zilion in it turns into gold. This has to be by far also one of the best leaders I've ever heard. You feel me? Outside the circle of people that I know and the circle of people that I am used to. When I got exposed to this man, when I got exposed to this guy, I was like, yo, because he will elevate you, bruh. Oh my god. This lady always roll up her move. My sister, I don't know if I'm tripping, but whatever it is that I heard, you know, Shai Sopran. If you get a chance and you see this Nkolong Pendula, please. And this guy, the one that I posted the video on, and him, cause so sorry for that. Is my guy? Are you Swati? Like, because ngambona ku video multivision, beautiful voice. Oh, beautiful. Listen, the age Esingenaguyo of these newer male voices is impeccable. Like, it's impeccable. Yes, when it comes to women in Maningi and Ngintanda Ninja, right? But I am also loving the courage. Some of them are my age because you know people are taller than me now. I don't know, but the day I meet, I'll be like, Nangai, you find a guy at 23, people say, ah, I understand. So it's crazy, man. It is amazing. He can sing. I've heard him a couple of times, many times, and I'm like, what? So all I'm saying is this choir, nginibheka sona. Hmm. But now for real though, i-alto lale choir leli, that was impressive. That was crazy. Wait. Listen. And mind you, some of these people never even got formal teaching or when it comes to sing. That should tell you, oh my god, half of these people didn't even get professional training. Oh my god. Zin. umbona losiso lo. I know she's younger than me. Yes, Usonta is it IBC? Oh, she has a good voice. She has a good voice. You see, when they listen, for some reason, I've been saying once you eliminate jealousy and competition, anywhere you get the you get the best abilities of everyone. Njengoba shaye i-out usizofake the girl usizofake leskipha sibhale California 30 something with the leather jacket behind usizlo wama braids. Hey bruh, look, if face part ephuma la. But when you come to a place and you go and when you get to a place and then you're like, yes, I can do this. But even if that person can do it too, I'm fine with it. Even if that person can do it too, I'm fine with it. You get this type of output. This is what you get. Because she had, I mean, for real, she had every right to say, I pelangine. But no, because people understand that we we are striving to get the same goal. You will get the most beautiful thing, and also it's all effortless. And shout out to everyone, la. Shout out to everyone, like for real, like shout out to each and every person who is in this choir doing anything for a good product. Ayikho into endlula lokho. Ayikho into endlula lokho. This is because I'm like, man, it's not the first time Lobuso was born. I understand. And someone close to me was like, no, to come say, and I was like, oh yeah. And I was like, oh yes, this lady Ngimbonendo and so. And she's wow. I lay quiet powerhouse. I hey, and you guys could be interested, eh? Ow! This guy was across I know I'm in a necessary spot, if I'm not mistaken. Unjabulo. Unjapes. I met this guy a week ago, Durban's across. I met him, yeah, I met him last week. So he's also here. And this guy we have photo and the voice. Like, do you understand how taken aback I am? Because I'm hey, hi man, guys. No man, big ups to you guys one more time, man. And also big up to Andele Mabaso as well. I love you, my man. Again, man, I don't know, but whichever you is, thank you. Hey, no, another one. Hey, bruh, listen, man, listen. Mabaso, thank you, bro. Like, thank you, for real, for real. Like, you put me on, like, on. Like, you keep me up to date with a lot of these things. And the more I meet and the more I go to and the more invites that I get to churches, I get to see people, I get to mingle with people, I get to talk to people, and I get to see people as well. Yeah, I understand. I'm here. I'm here, and I'm like, ah, Anton. I'm like, and I'm like, hey, yo, and hey, goes Zagalan. Yeah, I understand. So again, guys, please, churches they exist, even choirs, guys. Let give suggest a hand because such Zion choirs. And Zion choirs bayaveza ibandla specifically. Sometimes yabona njengalawo Yabo Krestu. Sometimes I want that too. You know, a choir consists of different people from different branches of church coming together to create something as beautiful as that. And on top of that, the fact that people are able to come together for one purpose and make sure good they deliver, nothing beats that. No, nothing beats. No, shout out to a newer generation members. Hey, you guys are killing it. Eh? That's for some reason I feel like it's a move in life. It's a move, Joe. Like, yo, shooting sazoba shocked mos. Iyo. Aye, but anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. So, yo, in the favorite words of the Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.